All 100,000 customers have fed from this one Riverford fig tree, one of the hardest working things on the farm. Only joking, figs come from Spain where their climate is so much more suitable. I'm going to show you an awesome recipe. That's today's veg hack, figs. So this recipe is the most fragrant, delicious, sweet Moorish fig recipe. Roasting figs just creates this sort of like syrupy sweetness, which is just absolutely delightful. Get about that much butter, and now get the best honey you can get. About 2 tablespoons. You want to be generous. At a nice low heat, because we're just melting it all together. Add now just a little dash of ground cinnamon. Squeeze the lemon juice. And just the smallest pinch of salt. So you get your fig, half you down like that, turn it around, half you down like that, and that is how we want to prepare the figs for roasting. Cool. So now what I'm going to do, give them a little roll. So I haven't got this super hot, so I can do this without burning myself. And look how good they look, just sat in there like this. Wait until we roast them, then it's going to be really magical. Get them in the oven now. Come and have a look at these little peaches. They're not peaches, they're figs. They're absolutely delicious. Look at that vibrant colour. So what you can do, you can let them cool down. You can even refrigerate them, have in the morning as a little treat. Or when they're nice and warm, have them with yoghurt. Look at this, they are gonna be delicious. Now they're still really hot, but I can't wait for them to cool down because I'm impatient. Look at them. There's something so pleasing about these little starry figs. Yeah. Oh, and here comes the syrup. Now that is just delicious. Wow, they smell so good. They're really, yeah, they're sweet. And they've got like a little sharpness of the lemon and the little hint of cinnamon with the really sort of figginess with a cooling bit of yogurt. That is absolutely delicious. When you get some figs this year, give this a go. I promise you, you won't regret it. Any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, then just get in contact. Let us know what you think and stay tuned for more weekly veg hack.